Hey guys, and we are back for another adventure, but not as yet. Have to prepare first. So I'm gonna meet with Colaz, yes, and we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna go to the market downtown. Yes, that's where you get the best price. While waiting, I'm here at the craft market downtown, and I'm going to show you guys, if you ever visit Jamaica, this is a good place to go if you want to bring home some souvenirs. Let's go. Alright people, so we are here. What I love about this place, it's never too crowded, you just have the time and it's easy, a nice shopping experience. So you can come here to Kingston Craft Market, right? And just have a look, right? Exactly. And see what you want. There's a lot of beautiful things, guys. Look, if you want, come a Rasta, you can do that. Just like that. There we go. Yeah man. See, you get cool stuff like that, right? Yeah. Have a nice scarf, right, for your winter. Yeah, beautiful things are here. Yeah. Yes people, so we're here. Yeah. I'll see if I find something which I like. Yeah, could need another t-shirt. So much beautiful craft items you can find here. Yes people, so we are behind the market. That's where you can actually come and chill and sit down and enjoy the view. People, so yes, so that's the craft market in Kingston downtown. I'm gonna link up with Colaz now, and then we're going to the market. Yes, because we're going on an adventure tomorrow. Yeah, and I'm very excited. So you guys know it's all about a wicked cookout. Yeah,
that's my skin. So if the person don't have or you don't have that problem,
Ooh, I love these. Yeah, handmade. I need my foot big, so I need I need a bigger one. You have this in a bigger size, like 11. I know. Big foot.
It's for you.
Yeah. I wear so. She said I'm lucky plus tax.
How much for it?
Yes people, I got some cool slippers and now I'm getting another t-shirt. Yes, so yeah, shopping. So yes guys, I come here if I need some nice beautiful Jamaican items, everything, shirt, cooking items, bag, belt. Yeah, Kingston Craft Market. Yes. People, you like this? I'm gonna get this as well. Yes, cute. Alright, let me get out of this place before I buy up everything. He's pretty. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Rivers and eat the fruit, the breadfruit.
Yeah,
To me drop asleep, I watch it, to me just drop asleep. And I man, me wake up for you, see when I watch my YouTube. Love your miss, man. Love what you do. Proud of you.
Thank
and
you.
When I ride the cycle,
Yeah.
a whole section, I can't remember some of the part there. But nice.
Alright, tell the people where they can buy this.
Alright, I buy these, I met them, I buy the threads, I met them myself.
Yeah?
Yeah, I met them myself. I have the Rasta color.
The Rasta one, I have that one.
Yeah, the Rasta color.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I met them and I've distributed them, all over the world.
Right.
Yeah.
They are. That's so cool.
If the vehicle hold, it make the car. There's a different beauty you can see over there, ragamuffin beauty.
True.
You understand me? I say, so, Tower Street. Right by the little baby and cry one statue.
See? Go and get your
Church Street, yeah.
Your ding ding ding. Alright.
Chris, turn up over here, turn up.
Turn up.
Over here, turn up. You understand?
I didn't know that he cannot make it. So
Oh, the person.
yes.
Right.
So we just go and see what we can get. Hi people, so Colaz cannot make it, so we will just go and see what I can get. I probably don't need to go all the way to the market. I probably can find it somewhere down here, as in further. I'm on King Street with Harbour Street down there, so stay tuned. I got what I needed. Colaz will get the rest, so we just needed the breadfruit and some ackee, and I got that. So I didn't went all the way to the market, that was not necessary. So yeah, so we're good to go. There are fish in there. I'm down here, might as well get an ice cream. Gavin House ice cream, it's the best. Right here at the waterfront. Yeah, lovely view. You jumping? You jumping again? You can stand? See people? He's jumping in there. Should I just change and jump in as well? Yes, people, down here nice. In the evening it's really cool. Right here at the waterfront. And yes, you can come chill. There's ice cream place, coffee place, a bar, restaurant, everything is here.
This one is a kingfish. These ones are jack.
It look like it.
It's a jack.
Is that Jack?
I want to name kingfish.
Why? That's what...
Like line is strong enough to lift up.
Hey, don't papa.
Yeah, line catch
I thought that's spear fishing.
No man, a line man. Three of them a line catch them.
How you say?
Feel it. A 80-pound line this.
No, that's not 80 pounds.
Yeah, idiot.
See people, but didn't just catch. That's a good catch. The line. Look how many times I go and don't even see that. That is very good. That is very good. Hey. Wow, that was a good catch. Yes, and with line, I think I have to start line fishing.
You know, back then, we usually do pour over with coffee and stuff like that.
Alright people, so I got my coffee. Yeah, let's see. Yes, it's good. Guys, I'm gonna show you upstairs. So yeah, when you come down here, you can check it out. got the ackee and I got the breadfruit. Colaz will get the rest. And so tomorrow we will go on a nice cookout. So stay tuned, don't miss it. Yeah, the ice cream was nice. Yeah, best ice cream. All right, people. So I'm heading out. Leaving. So, I'm gonna squeeze in another video here because that was another day. But since I'm doing this video about downtown, I actually went to Parade and got some corn. But I want to show you that still. So, yes. So it's a compilation. Let's see that. Some corn. Yeah, no corn. Boil. People, you need some corn or some crab. You can come right here and buy your crab. Alright, people, I'm gonna get some corn. Yes. And they always sell a little piece of coconut in there. You forgot? No. Hey, my coconut. So that's how it's served. You get your corn. Yeah. With some coconut. up there, girl. Hair stall. You can check her out. Yes. Nice. Yes. So I'm getting my snack. Yeah, so that's great. Get a corn, get soup. What kind of soup you have?
We have cow skin and chicken.
Oh, cow skin and chicken foot soup. I'll stick to my corn. And you can have crab. Yeah. Ooh. No, so I stick to my corn. Yeah. So that's my snack. Yeah, my healthy snack. So good. So we only needed some ackee and some breadfruit. So I got that. And so we're good to go. Colaz is getting the rest. Hey people, better tune in. Yes, wicked cookout. Sense it already. Due to the market today, but the time wasn't just not working with me. So we actually just quickly got what we needed. Yeah, but don't worry, I'll take you to the market. Yeah, today was just a quick run through and I thought, yeah, I'll just show you guys these things downtown. But I'm gonna make a proper video from downtown. Yeah, there's a couple of places I want to take you guys downtown and show you. It's cool. Alright guys, and remember to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because that's how you won't miss any videos I am uploading. Alright guys,